So we moved out to the actual field, and I'm here with the owner, Gary Cecil, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what all this behind us is.
We have the minis, small
So mini
watermelons here.
Ooh, watermelon.
They go to the local groceries that are around that we have worked out a deal with. Also have the squash and zucchinis, the cantaloupe, tomatoes and peppers here on this particular farm here. It's a various mix for all the stores and the CSA that Suzanne has.
Yeah, okay, so I was looking down here at the watermelon. I don't see any just yet. So when do you expect to have watermelons ready? They're blooming now, so they'll be setting here in the next week. So how many workers does it take to do an operation to this size? So
we have about 30 people come in that works for the farm alone.
So we talked about the mini seedless. Where did the regular seedless go?
The biggest customers that are Sam's, and Walmart, and Kroger's.
Wow. Was it hard to get into the grocery stores? Do they like to get the local produce?
Well, yeah, that's a big, when it's in Kentucky, they tell all the Kentucky DCs, and so they promote it as local.
Yes.
And
that's where everybody's going these days. They want local, they want fresh. For one plant, how many watermelon do you usually produce?
Off the minis, we hope to get 4 marketable melons off of them. And then on the regular seedless, it's about the same. But we hope to get like a semi-load per acre.
All right, so we just got our hike on. We were way over there. What is behind us now?
They're setting the mini watermelons. The settings are every 7 to 10 days apart.
Okay.
So
why do you do that?
So we can just prolong our picking to harvest, because we'll start to harvest in July 15th, and we don't want to end until September 15th. So every 7 to 10 days we get plants in. We do the minis, and the regular melons are all done that way, so to prolong the harvest and keep it in just a steady flow of watermelons, because they couldn't use all of them at the same time anyway.
Yes, yes, sure. So I see this black stuff here. What is the purpose for that?
Well, it helps control the weeds, helps keep some of the fruit cleaner. Plus our irrigation is under that drip tape that we supply the water and the nutrients as needed. Okay. And we can control that part of it, and it helps keep just a lot of different factors that makes a difference, especially the weed control is
that's a big deal. Yeah, it can really probably cut back on your yield. If you get too many weeds. So we didn't talk about it earlier, but are there male and female plants for watermelon? Yes,
there is. Every 3rd plant is a male plant dropped into the same pocket. Okay. So they reach up and grab the male plant, put it with the female. So and then the bees, which we have to get bees in place.
Where do you all get your bees?
They come out of Ohio. They're bumblebees, actually. It's what we use anymore, because we've used a lot of honeybees, but the honeybees it's not many around here close that we can get a hold of enough hives for the 450
I think that's what I've heard a lot of the vegetable producers in this area. That's the hardest part, is finding a good bee source.
Yeah, but so we get the honeybees, and they just come in and we can place them. They're not so aggressive, and our workers can place them around and move them. We don't have to have a beekeeper come in and move them or anything. So we really like the bumblebees. They work well for us, and no problems with them as far as really going after the workers. And so that's the purpose. They have to go to that male plant and then go to the female plant on all these in order to make the pollination happen. So we really have to protect our bees. We have to really be careful. But they play an important part, so we have to protect them, because we definitely got to have them.
Absolutely.